In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Fivem Steam Hex ID. First, you'll need your Steam profile URL. Open the Steam application on your computer or log in to the Steam website in your browser. Once you are signed in, go to the top right corner. Click your username and choose View My Profile. When your profile page opens, head to the address bar and copy the full URL you see there. That's the unique link to your profile. Make sure you are on the correct Steam account you use with Fivem. And copy the entire link exactly as it appears. If you use a custom profile URL, that's perfectly fine, just copy it as is. Next, open a new browser tab and search for steamdb.info. This is a well-known site that provides tools for working with Steam IDs. On the SteamDB site, click the Calculator tool. You'll see a box where you can paste your profile link. Paste the URL you just copied into that box. Then press Enter. The calculator will analyze your link and show several identifiers tied to your account. What you are looking for is the Steam Hex value, sometimes labeled as Steam ID Hex. This is the long hexadecimal identifier that Fivem uses. It's made up of numbers and the letters A through F, and it typically begins with 110,000. That's the key detail to confirm you are grabbing the right one. In some Fivem panels or configuration files, you might see it with a Steam prefix in front of the numbers. If a tool or server panel asks for Steam 110,000, include the prefix. If it asks only for the hex ID, use the numbers and letters without the Steam part. Either way, the core value, the part starting with 110,000, is your Steam Hex ID. When you copy it, take a moment to double-check there are no extra spaces before or after it, and that you've captured every character. It's best to paste it somewhere safe for quick access later, especially if you'll be applying to servers or managing permissions regularly. That's it. Thanks for watching.